ರಾಮ 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 जानकीकान्तस्मरणं जय विघ्न विनायक मूर्ति की शारदा देवी की वल्ली देवसेना कान्तस्मरणं नमः पार्वती पतये जय पराशक्ति माता की जानकी कान्तस्मरणं सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं बोला पुण्डलीक वरदे सद्गुरु ज्ञानानंद मूर्ति की आंजनेय स्वामी की समस्त भक्त मंडली की हरिनारायण 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 दुरित निवारण हरिनारायण दुरित निवारण परमानंद सदा शिव शंकर भक्त जन प्रिय
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Sai Priya, the disciple of Priyamvada Murli. Bhagavad Mela Vidyalaya Meritur and Lasya Melalaya Bengaluru for the 5th year in continuing curates this dedicated online festival in the memory of its founder Guru Melitur late Shri S. Natarajan, thereby fulfilling his profound vision for making a difference to one's life through practicing an art form. ಸಂಗೀತ ನೃತ್ಯ ಖಲುರಿ ಕಲಾಃ ಸಂಕಟಾತಿಕ್ರಮಣಾಯ ಸಾಧನಾಃ. Sachidananda Nataraja Samarpana Mela 2025 connects legendary gurus and innovative artists across the globe who have transcended barriers and challenges, striving for the cause of their art, thereby inspiring the younger generation for an impactful socio-cultural empowerment. We seek the blessings of our Parama Guru Padma Shri Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran on this auspicious moment as she enters the 75th year of service to the art form this year. We seek her perennial guidance as always as we carry on the noble mission of Bhagavatamela Vidyalaya in its 12th year. Deep reverence to Guru Melitur late Shri S. Natarajan and Guru Patni Srimati Anuradha Natarajan, Bhagavad Mela Vidyalaya Melitur and Lasya Melalaya Bengaluru humbly present Sachidananda Nataraja Samarpana Mela 2025. Pranams.
Sachidananda Nataraja Samarpana Mela 2025 is greatly humbled to have Vidushi C.R. Lakshmi Karthik, Director Shri Nritya Lakshna from Bengaluru. Vidushi Lakshmi Karthik is an innovative dancer, choreographer and a dance educationist. A Master of Fine Arts graduate, a diploma holder in Kathak, she has been trained under illustrious gurus including Gurus Srimati Anandi Krishnamurti, Guru Shobana Balachandra to Guru Puru Dadich to Dr. Methil Devika and Dr. Sujata Mohan. She is a dedicated teacher who wishes to pass on the art in its true form and orient the younger generation to the rich culture and traditions of our country through our art forms. She is one of a kind dancer who has worked on body dynamics and kinetics and come out with an innovative dance book called The Dancing Games that helps in holistic development of a child's motor skills. This work of hers goes in line with this year's theme of our Samarpana Mela. In spite of a busy practitioner, she ensured her tribute work came on time. It did not matter to her even if it was past midnight to get this work done. Her respect for Guru Natarajan is evident with the Kriti she chose to present in his memory. We are grateful to you, Guru Lakshmi Karthik, and we pray Guru Melatur Shri S. Natarajan's and your Guru's Kataksham help you reach to all milestones you aim, through your art and through the dancing games you have conceived. Voiceover by Manasa.
The book Dancing Games with 50 creative activity related to dance and movement to enhance holistic development is specially designed as a handbook for teachers and educators. It will be helpful to teachers and educators to use dance and movement technique in a playful model in such a way that every child is getting engaged in the class, and definitely this will impact in their memory skills, in their coordination, in their visual motor skills, etc. So this is just an humble attempt to create an awareness about the holistic development benefits within the dance and movement.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am C.R. Lakshmi Karthik, founder and director of Sri Nritya Lakshana Dance School, Bangalore. I take much pleasure in doing this Natya Samarpanam for Master Melatur Natarajan sir. I have chosen the song Enneramum Un Sannidhiyil, composed by Gopalakrishna Bharati. In this song, Nandanar pleads to Lord Shiva that being there in his sanctum and sanctorium at Chidambaram is more than enough for him in his entire life. I can relate the feeling of this song to Natarajan Master because he has devoted his entire life to the upliftment of the art form, especially Bhagavata Mela. And his commitment and dedication is something far beyond explanation. I am so happy to present this Natya Samarpanam.
सर्वत्र गोविंद नाम संकीर्तनम्। जय सद्गुरु स्वामी की।